In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a job button on the eScan Enterprise. Tap on Configuration, then tap Local Machine Account. Create an account by tapping the icon on the top right corner and add a password if needed. To create a new job button, tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Name the button and choose the group it will appear in. You can add a password to this button as well. Next, choose the destination you want the scanned documents to be sent to. Tap on Scan Settings and configure the button with the settings you need. Some of the settings include quality, format, and punch hole removal. The new button will now appear on the home screen in the group you placed it in. Give it a try!